Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. Good morning.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your present job?
Um, I'm a coffee shop attendant. I'm 3 years in this company. Um, I finish my contract next year, 2015.
Okay, and what were your duties and responsibilities out there?
Um, I'm making sandwiches, fresh juice, coffee, beverage,
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Okay, and by the way, why you decided not to continue to work there after 3 years?
Um, yeah, because maybe this year this end of this year, maybe they were closed, or I don't know what's happened in our company. They closed or they moved to another place like that.
Okay, and since you're looking for a new job because of that reason they might close soon, uh, how much is your salary expectations?
1.8 to 2,000.
All right. So, and what is your favorite task? I mean, what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Ah, cleaning, babysitting is okay also.
Okay. And what type of food can you cook?
A Filipino dish I can make, but maybe if I try also an American dishes.
Okay, great. Filipino food. Just this is in terms. This is a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What particular products do you use to clean a toilet?
Ah, Jeff.
Gee, what else?
Yeah. And harpish.
Harpic.
Yeah, like
Okay. And in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
I gonna sing and then watching television so that they can eat.
And what is your hobby?
They're just watching television, only like that.
TV. And you mentioned that you've been here for 3 years already. And how many more years you want to work here in UAE?
Because my children is still in schooling,
Mhm.
so until they finish, like 5 years.
5 years more. Okay. And the last question is, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Yes, because I'm trustworthy and I'm honest and good for cleaning like that because I have an experience before, 2 years in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, taking care of the baby.
Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.